In this video, I'm going to show you in Microsoft Word how to add a photo or image to your CV or resume. So much like what I've done here. Now, let me show you how I did this. Go to Insert, Picture, this device, and then choose the photo that you want to include. I'll choose this one here. Go to Insert, and there we have my image. Now the problem is, if I move it, it just goes between the text. Let me show you how to get around that. Click on the image once, and then right click on it. Go to Wrap Text, and choose In Front of Text. You can then move it. When you've clicked on the image, you have these options in the corner, these different markers, and you can make the image smaller. And then place it where you want to go. If you want to create a nice professional circular image like I've done here, I recommend you go to this website, pfpmaker.com, choose the photo to upload. I'll click upload again. I'll pick this photo here. I'll go to open. It will then generate me a professional profile photo. So you can see these images are available. I've got options here if I go to new, creative or professional. So maybe I'll pick this one here. Also, if you use this little pencil icon, you can make adjustments to the photo. You can change the location of where you are in it. You can also rotate it if you want to. You can zoom in and zoom out. If you make any changes to it, just save it. Once you find the picture that you want, hover over it. You can then download a square version of it or a circular version. I'll choose a circular one. It'll then save to your computer. I'll delete this image from my CV. I'll then find the new photo that I've just created. Be in my downloads folder. And there we have my new image. I'll resize it. I'll right click on it. I'll go to Wrap Text. Choose In Front of Text. And then place it wherever I want to place it on my CV or resume. If I did want the image on the left and I wanted the writing on the right, highlight all the text, choose to align right, and then move the image into the location where you want it. Hopefully you found this video useful. If so, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more top tech tips.